skoro lecą tak wolno, to na pewno zobaczą, jak im machamy. Tak jest! Więc odłączył się od pozostałych samolotów. Wyląduje i zostawi niebo wolne dla swoich kolegów.
After this flyover, I ask you to pay attention to the rearmost two aircraft. These are our two soloists. They will leave the formation in a moment and present us with their first solo performance. Look at the two last aircraft. So to say. So here we have fighter jet pilots who, in addition to their main job, get together to perform this high quality display on propeller aircraft. This, ladies and gentlemen, is absolutely unique in the world. Opportunity to briefly introduce our Commander Lieutenant Colonel Daniel Stempfli, nicknamed Stamper, to keep an eye on the group of 4. I would also like to introduce these pilots briefly from the sub-leader, Captain Marius Ecker, followed by Captain Peter Stalin and Captain Matthias Grossen, and in the back our soloist, Captain Benjamin, and just before is Captain Simon. It is a harp, ladies and gentlemen, and it's not enough. Amor's arrow is also added. This is the PC-7's declaration of love to you, esteemed public. Now we probably come to the most patriotic part, pure Swissness. The PC-7 presents the Swiss Cross. Extremely. Audience, we are approaching the end of the flat demonstration, and you can observe on the left how the soloist